Guys, and welcome to another day with Simulata. My name is Serge, and in today's video we're going to be performing a leak-off test by simply just cranking the engine but not starting it this time. So in a recent video you've seen me just do like a run test, and this is actually what these bottles are for. I just wanted to see like what's really happening, you know, to kind of gauge the situation, because it's not like I'm going to get that other opportunity, so might as well do it now. So what I'm going to do today is simply crank it over for like 10 seconds. I hear that that's the way to do things, and then you're supposed to look for anything above 2.5 milliliters inside within 10 seconds, meaning that is a bad injector. Basically, based on my recent video, one of you guys are telling me that your injectors are fine, and thank you for that. You know, thank you guys for participating with this, because I am brand new to this type of thing, so any of your guidance is definitely important to me. So let me know your comments. Let me know how to do it correctly. Let others know in the comment section below. But so I always thought that, looks like I still have some oil in this one. I always thought that whatever's the highest is the bad one, but maybe that's not the case. But anyways, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and empty those things and go ahead and get the testing. Anyways, guys, we're getting ready to begin this test. Normally, if your vehicle is starting and you want to perform this test without it starting up, you'll need to reach in over here and unplug your camshaft sensor, which I am doing it now. But this vehicle will not start anyway, so it's pointless for me to unplug it, but it is unplugged, because that is the way you do things. So now I just supposed to crank it over for 10 seconds and see what's up. There was already a tiny bit in here because I actually leaked some off, and already all of the lines were full of diesel. So I don't know if that makes the test better or worse, but either way, it's supposed to crank it for 10 seconds. And if you see any of them above 2.5 milliliters, then that is considered, I guess, a bad injector. But what we're seeing here is this is the only, well, let's see, hold on. So these bottles are twisted all over the place. Let me adjust them so you could actually see the readings. Okay. So basically, as you can see, that's a 1, that's a half. This is almost a 2. It's like not even a 2. So that's a 1 and that's a 1. So you be the judge, guys. Tell me what you guys think. But keep in mind that we did start with a little bit of diesel in each one of these things. Let me know if this injector number 3 is the bad one. Apparently has the most amount of diesel in it. But it hasn't reached the 2.5 mark. But what do you guys think? I don't know, you know. So I'm just gonna take your word for it. So the leak down test is complete. Probably not going to be doing any more of those. But what's next is I'm going to be replacing this fuel rail sensor. This is located all the way at the back over here. And I feel the actual sensor, I don't know if, well, like one of the bolts is reachable and the other one is a little tight behind the intake manifold. I am not sure if it's possible to replace this without removing the I said exhaust manifold, I meant like intake manifold. I'm not sure if it's possible to remove this sensor and replace it with the intake manifold being in place. So if somebody has done this already, let me know in the comments below if this is possible. I just reached down in there and I could feel how the sensor is located, and one of the bolts, well, let's see, hold on. So it's sitting there like this. So this one is reachable. a bolt over here on the side. This one's a little tight. Possibility that it could be done, I don't know, I haven't tried, but we will try it in a different video, guys. But anyways, for this one, this is the end of the video. Let me know what you guys think of this, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Bye bye.